Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make your picture glow in Canva. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on the elements and then add a music. So if you want to add your own photo or image, then all you have to do is to click your upload button right here and then upload your own image. But for this video, we will just use elements that is in Canva. So let's just say let's put bird. Let's use this as an example, and then we will choose this photo right here. And now that we are done adding the picture, the next thing that we need to do is to click edit image. And after clicking edit image, all we have to do is to go here on the shadow button right here that is located on the left screen, and then you will see a bunch of effects or shadows that is available right here. So just click this glow button right here, and as you can see right there, we now have the glow effect on our photo. So you can adjust the size, the blur amount, and then also the intensity, and of course the color of your shadow. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.